Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a review and a how-to on how to use this Blooming Baby bathtub. So let's get into the video.
Remember back in '02 when I was in school and acting a fool. My soul got saved, my debt had been paid, but still like.
Okay guys, so this is how I originally received the I got the box, and I'm just opening it. It's very easy, and you just pull it out and that's it. There's nothing else that comes with it. And now I'm going to show you how I put it in the sink. So I just open it up. It's very soft too, so you just place it in the sink and then wrap the petals around, and then as your baby is going to sit in there, you just fix the petals. Now I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see exactly how it sits in the sink. And that's pretty much it. You know, I'm just fluffing it out and running the water. I usually try to run the water before I put Juju in the tub, so I make sure the temperature is right and everything. So I've placed Juju in the tub. It is fairly easy. I usually take the water away from her face, but she loves putting her hand in there. She loves how the water feels. She loves taking a bath. And I also try to position her head, as you can see, right by the petals so that she can have a good cushion so it won't be in between the petals. So this is typically what I do on a daily, but it just so happened that today is her wash day. So we're gonna fast forward this clip and just see how I bathe her and how I put the Blooming Baby up and away. So now that I've finished bathing Juju, I'm just going to rinse out the tub, and then I'm going to fold and wring everything out neatly. You can do this individual petals, but sometimes I choose to just do it the bulky way and just throw it in the dryer, and that way it's a little easier. But I definitely, if you want to go hang it up, I would definitely suggest that you wring it out one petal at a time. So my Blooming Baby, I got it from Target. I don't quite recall how much we paid for it because Juju's godmother bought it. I'm gonna insert it somewhere how much I got it, maybe in the description and a link. I also really love this because at first, when Juju was about a month old, throughout this whole month process, I didn't really use this because I used to give her towel bath, and also I started using it when she was about 2 months old, and I started using it in the bathroom sink because it was a little bit easier, and we could conform her body to it because the way that the petals work is very flexible, so it can conform to any space. So I was using it in the bathroom sink, which is smaller, and she was a little bit smaller, so it was a little easier. And as she grew for the bathroom sink, I transitioned her into the kitchen sink, which was what the video before was showing. The clip before was showing us, and also she really enjoys it. I really enjoy it. It's fairly easy to clean. I wash it once a week in the washing machine, and Juju's cooling. I wash it once a week in the washing machine, and then I dry it in the dryer, either on delicate or tumble dry, or I hang dry it in the basement. I used to hang dry it in the bathroom, but it started to get a little mildew because I guess as everybody would shower, like the mist and stuff would mess with it. So I started to hang it downstairs in the basement, and this creation was better because I used to wash my older child in the bathroom, in the kitchen sink, but I don't really need to do it as a tidy cleanup for the sink. I still clean it just the same, but the petals just make it a little bit more comfortable instead of being on the ceramic of the sink. or the middle of the sink, whatever sink you have. So I really enjoy the Blooming Baby bathtub, and I will put a link down below from where I got it from. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification button. See you guys in the next video. Bye.